How long does it take to get to the moon? The total distance from the Earth to the moon is 380,000 kilometers. That is the equivalent to almost 415,755 football fields, not including the end zones. This is a picture of a rocket called the ESA Smart 1 lunar probe. The rocket was launched on September 27, 2003 and arrived on the moon on November 11, 2004. It arrived at the moon 1 year, 1 month, and 2 weeks later. This trip to the moon was by far the most fuel efficient of them all. This is a picture of a rocket from China named the Chang'e-1 mission. The rocket was launched on October 24, 2007, but sat in orbit until October 31st when it began its transit to the moon. It arrived on November 5th. Chang'e-1 took 5 days to cover 380,000 kilometers using its rocket boosters. But by far the fastest mission to fly past the moon was NASA's New Horizons Pluto mission. This mission had a speedy launch, rockets powering the probe to over 58,000 kilometers per hour. Although this is impressive, it's worth keeping in mind that New Horizons was not slowing down to enter lunar orbit. Still, it took 8 hours and 35 minutes to cover the distance. All of the rockets that we showed before all had robots instead of humans, but this is Apollo 11, which was the first rocket with humans to land. Here is a picture of the 3 men who went to the moon first. They were Neil Armstrong on the left, Mr. Collins, the man in the middle, and Buzz Aldrin, the man on the right. Neil Armstrong was the first man on the moon, and this is what he said.
One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Thanks for watching.